Hi, my name is Adela and I'm technical engineer in company Poski.com. In this video, I am going to tell you what PoskiReal service is. PoskiReal service is a CRM system which is used to manage, organize, and working with real estate contracts and contacts. We want to connect this service with Google Contacts and Calendar because many of our clients also using Google applications, what in fact can speed up the whole process of administration from both sides. Here you can log in into PoskiReal service. Under the login button, you can see terms and conditions and privacy policy. We will use ID and password which we received from Poski company. Welcome to the PoskiReal. Let's do the quick check of what we can see here. On the left, you can see the main menu with the models which service use. Next to it, in page body, there is preview board. On the top, there is a search bar and the functional buttons. The next step will be to set up the synchronization. As first, we will log in our Google account. Now we are in Google OAuth consent screen. Everybody can see the client ID in the address bar of the browser and we can log in by our Google account. PoskiReal needs to authorize these scopes. These scopes associate PoskiReal service with your personal information on Google, which is necessary for selecting calendars and contact lists which you want to synchronize. This second scope is necessary to be able to fully synchronize and administrate contacts between PoskiReal service and Google. And this final scope is necessary to be able to fully synchronize and administrate calendars and events between PoskiReal service and Google. Now we will go back to PoskiReal service. Next, we will set up the local settings. We choose which calendar and color we want to use. Then we do the same thing for contacts. Now let's start with the functions. Check the menu and choose Contacts module. Open Overview. For a presentation, we will create a new client contact. First, fill some test data in mandatory columns, then click Save. Let's turn the synchronization on. Click on three dots on the right side of your contact. Choose Properties and Settings category. At the bottom of the page, there is a sync with Google Contacts. Turn it on and save. Now we should check the Google side. As you can see, Contact was successfully synchronized with Google. This synchronization works in both ways. Let's try the calendar. Check the menu again and find Planning module. Open Calendar. The Planning panel is fully interactive. We can see Create a new appointment just by simple click. Fill this window with test data and click Create. Time to check Google Calendar. Again, the new appointment was successfully synchronized with Google. Synchronization works in both ways. Now let's check how to log out from the service. At the top, click on Synchronization button, then click on Power button. Then click on your profile picture and choose Logout. Thanks for paying attention. If you have any questions, please contact us via mail podpora@poski.com. Have a nice day.